Closed cell baffling is simply put foam-filled pontoons with a specially formulated polyurethane liquid, which is injected into the pontoons.
Our boats are built with a life ring, so the whole perimeter of each of our Stabicraft vessels is a hollow tube which provides a wealth of buoyancy to keep our boats stable, hence the name. But it is air that is inside each one of those chambers, so another option that you can do for our boats and add on is closed cell baffling.
The foam formula and the application process have been engineered to ensure longevity of the closed cell foam in a very corrosive environment. The foam acts as a noise-reducing barrier, taking away the loud water slapping against the aluminium hull and acting as overall buoyancy.
If you can imagine an empty 2.5 litre bottle of Coke and you bang it on your knee and you'll hear that noise, and if you fill it up with Coke, there's very little noise. Should you have the worst day in the world and you've managed to tear open one of your chambers and you've got a hole in that, the fact that there is a closed cell block of foam in there, water can't actually protrude and get inside the pontoon. While we don't have to do this, it's a pride of our company that we do add every element that we possibly can for all of our customers to keep them safe.